Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 72. OPPA. OPPA. This word is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is O and the second syllable is PA. Pronounce it with me. OPPA. OPPA. Again, our word for today is OPPA, and this is used to say brother, and this is used if you are a younger sister. How do we write OPPA in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable O, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, followed by the O character. And then, for the second syllable pa, we need to draw first a double biyop or sound biyop character, followed by an a character. So that's how you write these two syllables. We have O and pa, and in order to write the Hangul for the word OPPA, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables. And that's how you write OPPA in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned OPPA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 62 to 71. But don't forget our word for today, word number 72, OPPA, which means brother, and this is used when you are a younger sister. The first word for our review is word number 71. It's omoni, which means mother. The next word for our review is aboji, which means father. Next word for our review is na중에, which means later. Next word is 걷다. This is a verb which means to walk. Next word is Araso. This is an informal way of saying, alright, I understand. Next word is alta. This is a verb which means to know or understand. Next word is Gwaenchana. This is a formal way of saying, it's okay. Next word is Gwaenchana. This is an informal way of saying, it's okay. Next word is utta. This is a verb which means to smile or laugh. And the last word for our review is word number 62. It's 마시다. This is a verb which means to drink. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.